residents, about 2,000 or 3,000 Palestinian residents living in East Jerusalem, which is not yet the capital of Palestine because there's no Palestine. About 3,000 residents living in a really poor area of, well, all of Palestine is poor, but a particularly poor area of East Jerusalem were given eviction notices by Israel. They were told that their homes are going to be destroyed, and in their place they were going to create a park. Now, guess who that park is for? It's not for Palestinians. It's not like we're going to build you a nice park. It's for Israel, which means that they are now expanding more and more into East Jerusalem. East Jerusalem, which according to this agreement is supposed to be the future capital of the Palestinian state. So far from even obeying Obama's demand to stop, they've accelerated their settlement activity. And of course, as you can imagine, the response from President Obama was fierce. He called the Israeli Prime Minister and said, if you don't do what I ask of you, we're going to withdraw this $3 billion right now. No, just kidding. Of course nothing like that happened. Don't be crazy. Of course not. What did Obama do? Nothing. Nothing. He put his tail between his legs and he walked away. And he hasn't mentioned, not even the word Palestine has not left his lips since the day Netanyahu screwed himself. That is the situation.